Fire. Yeah, since I don't got a fire going, I'm gonna use an old dog mushing trick to cook my food. So I've got an old tuna fish can and a bottle of heat. This is a fuel additive we put into gas tanks to keep them from freezing up in the wintertime. And it's mostly made out of isopropyl alcohol. Isopropyl alcohol can be very dangerous. See how the flame is nearly invisible? If you spill isopropyl alcohol on yourself and light yourself on fire in the daytime, you won't even be able to see it. But it burns really clean